Hello and welcome to this first lecture of how to sign up for Shopify store from the very basic. For 14 days free trial sign up, you have to click on the link given in the notes of this first lecture. So you will have this link, you have to click on it and you will be forwarded to 14 days free trial of this Shopify page, and from here you just have to enter your email. Okay, after entering your email, you just have to click on 14 days free trial. After clicking on it, you have to create your password. And then you can also edit your store default URL that will be with myshopify.com. So here we will be editing it, like you can make it with your business name. So the default URL should also stay like this, but this is not important because at the end you can replace this URL with custom domain you will buy from Shopify, or you can also buy from any hosting provider like GoDaddy, Hostinger, Namecheap, from anywhere. So we will make it as it is, and when you click on create your store, it is now creating your store. Okay, here we go. Once you will click on it, you will be forwarded to this screen. It will ask you some questions at the very beginning, like are you already selling? Like I'm not selling products yet. I'm selling, just not online. I sell with different system. So we'll be selecting I'm not selling products yet. Okay. In addition to your Shopify store, where else would you like to sell online? Like you can check all these sales channels, right? What is your current revenue? We will usually select it as 0 because we are just starting. And then which industry will you be operating in? Like before going to start a dropshipping store, you must know that what products you will be going with, so it will be easy for you. So we will be going to jewelry products later while creating our store. So we'll click next, and then it will ask you for your credentials. So you will have to put all the credentials. And then you have to write business or personal website. You can also make it optional if you don't have yet. And you can also check that this store is a registered business. If you already registered your name of the store with your country tax department, so you can check this one. After then you have to click on enter my store, right? When you will click on enter my store, it will take you to this screen. This is the default dashboard of Shopify admin, where you will see all these things. Once you will select a plan, you will be able to sell your products, and it will give you 14 days free trial, right? So in 14 days you can play around, you can create your store for the first sale to become. So after entering all these things and doing all these things, you will have to check your email, and you will get an email after sign up by Shopify like this. So It is saying your free trial starts today. Congratulations on starting your journey with Shopify. So here is your store URL, here is your login URL and the password you already remembered while creating it. So this was all about your account has been created with Shopify. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Welcome to Shopify's Dropshipping Store Development course, Beginners to Expert. In this lecture, we'll see how we can create About Us page. Just click on Add Page here in the pages and write a title About Us. And in the description, you can give About Us like we are Shopify Store Development Udemy course. So like us and help us growing for merchants all over the world. Right. So this was a description of About Us page, and from here you can select the default page template, and then you can just click on save. After saving, we will preview this like how our About Us page is showing. So more on, you can add different things like here the complete stories with some images in it, just like here at the very beginning. You can also put some image here, product images, uploaded images like this. You can select the size, like thumbnail. You can also banner image, so insert image. After clicking save, you have to do some settings, and then your About Us page will be ready like this. So I hope you understand About Us page. Thanks. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to edit header in Shopify theme customization. For this, you have to go to customize, and then from here you will see on the left side on homepage template, you will see header option under the announcement bar. Just click on header and we will edit our header now. Here you see we have color scheme with different colors. Okay, we will keep background 2, and then you can select the logo. You can also add alt text for your logo. This is used for SEO purposes. Just like the keywords you will be putting in alt text of your logo will be used by search engines, and then you can give a width to your logo, like you can increase it, decrease it like this, and then you can place the logo in the left, top left, and top center like this. So we keep it on left side as we are in Create theme, free Shopify OS 2.0 theme, best for speed and best for OS 2.0 version. And here you can link the menus. You can also link, remove, and you can change the menus from here. If you have some custom menus available, you can make them link with your header. And then you can show separate line like this. You can hide separate line, and then you can enable sticky header. Enable sticky header means when you will scroll down, the header will be showing here at the top. If not enabled, it will not be stick to your top. And then bottom margin, you can also increase and decrease this margin from here. So we will keep it 0, and then you have theme setting options. In here you can enable product suggestions. You can put the Twitter link, social media links, like all the social medias, and then you can make it vertical offset. Just like here, we will be adding twitter.com/ecom premium. Here you see we have Twitter available here at the footer. So these are all the things you can do it. Just click on save, and you can also view the mobile version here, the optimized mobile responsive version of your store here like this, and you can do that changes accordingly here. So this was the lecture on how to edit header. Thank you. Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to add announcement bar in theme customization. So you have to go to customize theme. After clicking on customize, you will see that here on the left side on your home page template you can see announcement bar. Just click on it and you will see another block open with plus sign. Just click on it. After clicking on plus announcement, you will see the announcement here. So welcome to store, you can change it accordingly. Welcome to Dropshipping Store. You can also change the color scheme like background 1, like background 2, inverse, and accent 1, and then accent 2, right? So you can also put a link of some collections, products, pages, blog posts, and places here. So we're just adding a link of about us here. So after doing this, don't forget to click save. When you click save, you can see the preview just like here. Here you see we have announcement bar available on our store, and with clickable link, when you will click it, it will take you to about us page. So this was the announcement bar, how to add announcement bar in your theme customization. Thank you. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. In this lecture, we will add mainly a product to our Shopify store without OBERLO. So here, once you will the products, you will click on add product, and here you will write demo product. You will see all the options we have to do in creating a product. Like here you can give the title, and then in the description you can give the description. You can also put some media in the description, but it's better to put the media in the media section. So here you can make it active, and here you can select and deselect different sales channels where you want to sell your products. And here on add media you can select product image like this, the media, and from here you can also add from URL. Okay, we are adding few products here, images here. After this you can give a type, like we are creating jewelry, so we will search for jewelry. Okay, here you can give, and then in the vendor you can select your store name as a vendor, and the collections you can put it up in some collections here manually. And here is the tag section. How you can create tags, why tags are important, because here you see I will write best tag to this product. Okay, this tag is created and added to this main product we are creating, right? We'll see its use later. These are very useful while creating automatic collections. So you can make a condition in collection like automatic, and then product tags, and in the tags you can just write one tag. If you have given this tag to thousands of products, then all the products with this tag will be in your that collection. So this is very useful for creating automatic collections with tags given to the product. So here is the price. You would write 100 rupees and compare it price. It can be greater than the price, like 160. So So this 160 will be crossed and you will see this price here. And if you want to charge tax are always chargeable in countries where tax are applied on your product, so you can select this. And then cost per item, you can make it like 60 because it won't be shown to your customers on the store. So this will be for our own purposes, like if you have some margin or profit, you can easily calculate it after sales on your store. And in the inventory, you can select a collect here location, like if it is from OBERLO or from your own local store. And then SKU, it is very important, like stock keeping unit, you can make it in blue color, large, and then you can make it 01. So this is a unique SKU for your product. You can also give barcodes and you can also track quantity. Continue selling when out of stock. You can make it like if you wanna get sales without stock in your warehouse, then check this out. And also quantity, here you can put up the quantity, like we are going with 100 products at the beginning, and this is a physical product, and if it has some weight like 1 or like 500 grams, half kg, you can select grams, you can select pounds, ounce, kilograms and grams. And then country, region of origin, you can select from here. United States, you can select United States from here. And then our harmonized system is what? Harmonized system is used on borders, on airports or custom clearance code provided by authorities there at your customs. And then options, this product has options like size or color. If this is checked, you can give different variants, like here you see size, and then values like small, you can put another value like medium, and you can put another value like large. And also you can make other options like style, classic, hero, etc. So we have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variants with 2 different options. Just click on done. These are options available, and you see we have created 5 and 5 multiplied by 2 and 3, 2 into 3, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 collections. Product variants are available now. You can also make quantity for each variant, like how many variants you have. Like we have 100, then we can not make them exceed 100. There's different variants. So at the end you will see this meta field. This is also very important. We'll see it later while talking in the product section, in the theme customization section, when how meta fields are important while creating dynamic descriptions in your product description section. So we have entered all these things for manual product. Once we click save, boom, our product has been saved now, created. So after creation, you can view your product on your store. Still saying this is not developed store, we will do customization on theme we have installed at the beginning, and the next lecture then you will see a better look of this. Right here you see this is how product image is showing, like here you see thumbnails. Here we have some product description with collapsible tabs, some previews options like this. We'll be setting up all these custom theme customizations in next lectures. So here how we can create a manual product in our store. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to new lecture of theme customization. In this lecture we'll see how we can customize our theme for Shopify store Dropshipping Development Beginners to Expert. So you have to click on Online Store and you will be by default on this themes section here. Okay, you'll have to see that which theme you want to customize. If you want to customize your live published theme, then you can click on here. Otherwise, you can also customize your drop theme. After customization, you can save the settings, and when you are satisfied with the design customization, then you can just preview and you can publish it from here. So we will now see that how we can customize theme. So to your published theme, you will see this button, customize. Just click on it and you will be on this window, on this browser tab after clicking on customization. So here you will see that here you can customize your theme, like you can add announcement bars, you can here you can customize it, the front page, home page. Here you can add different sections here, and then you have different pages, templates here available, so you can customize these templates from here. So this was the video on how to customize theme from Shopify admin. Thank you. Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Expert series. So here we are adding another section on our front page of our Shopify Dropshipping Store, that is called collection list. So you have to click on add section, click on collection list. You will see your collections like this here, and here you can give the heading to your collections, and then you can make these settings if you want. You can enable swipe on mobile. You can also enable UL button, and then you can in the collections select some collections that you want to show on your store. So keep in mind that you should have the collection images relevant to your store inside the collections like this. If you don't have proper images selected for your collection, just click on it, save, and then going back into your collection from here in the products, in collections, just go to that collection and change the feature image for that collection. You will see the image here of that collection that you're gonna show. So we'll be looking back into our store that which collection has other than image. So this was jewelry box. You see in the jewelry box you have to change the product. It is picking the first product image, so you can remove it. This is a demo product. How you can add images here directly, so it will be showing there. So inside the theme customizer, where you have selected the collection list, go to there. And from there you see now we have changed the image of first product of our collection, and now it's showing the image relevant to our collection. So here was the video on how to add collection list. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. Today we are going to add college section. So you have to go to add sections and click college, and you will see how college section looks like. It's like this, and here you can select jewelry catalog, and then you can make it some settings here, and inside the video you can put some videos from here if you already have the videos. We do have one, we have some videos. So you see we have selected a video here. You can select it again, the videos for your store, like this. If it's not picking up, if it's not showing, then you can just click on save. You can also see why it's not uploading, then click exit here, go to settings. Inside the settings you have to go to files. In here you can upload that video that you want to use. Once you will upload from here, it will be showing inside the files. Basically it takes time, so you can upload all of your relevant videos here. And then once it's uploaded, you can go back to your customizer, and inside there you can use it, or you can also copy the link of your videos from here. Okay, it's uploaded. Now you can close this one and you can go to customizer, back inside there, and from there you can go to COLECTION, click on video. Okay, actually we were selecting the cover image, so that's why it was not showing. Just like this, select one, and here we have already copied the URL. So if it's not supported, you can use. Okay, we will use this link later, but you can use another video just like it was here previous, like this. So inside product you can add, we will use the video later in another section, so this way we were doing. So inside the product you can select some products related to that you want to show, and inside the collection you can add some collection. So in collect section you can add a product, a collection, and a video, right? Click on save, and once you will save it, you can preview your store like this, and now you see you will have all these things. If you click on video, video will be played, that is on YouTube for you. So here how to add COLECTION. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello, welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts course. In this lecture we will see how we can create pages, and in the pages how we can create contact us page. So just click on online store and then we'll click on pages. Okay, after clicking on page you will see thing like this page, and just click on add page. Here just give the title contact us, and in the description don't give any description. You can edit it for SEO purposes. We'll do another lecture on SEO in another section. In the future lectures you will see this SEO like thing to be done by us. So after this, contact us, then visible, and then in online store you have to select contact template, right? This is built-in template in every Shopify store with theme, so you can just select the contact and click on save. Once you will click on save, your contact us page is created. So just to be sure, just click on view page, and here you see contact us page is created like this. Awesome. I hope you guys like this. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development course, Beginners to Expert. In this lecture, we'll see how we can create about us page. Just click on add page here in the pages and write a title about us. And in the description, you can give about us like we are Shopify Store Development Udemy course. So like us and help us growing for merchants all over the world. Alright, so this was a description of about us page, and from here you can select the default page template, and then you can just click on save. After saving, we will preview this like how our about us page is showing. So more on, you can add different things like here the complete stories with some images in it, just like here at the very beginning. You can also put some image here, product images, uploaded images like this. You can select the size, like thumbnail. You can also banner image, so insert image. After clicking save, you have to do some settings, and then your about us page will be ready like this. So I hope you understand about us page. Thanks. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts course, and in this lecture we will see how to edit footer. So just click on footer here and click on add blog. Before going to add blogs, click on footer and go for different settings like background colors like this. You can also make things like this. So we are going for inverse here, or you can make it prominent from the above section like this. You can show email sign up inside footer if you haven't make it visible here, and then you can show social media icons, country selectors here like this, and then language selector, and then show payment icons. Once you will add the payments, your payment icons will be showing here, and then you can click on save, and then you can add blog. Inside you can add menus, you can add footer menus like this here, and then you can add another section like text. You can add some store address text here that is required for Google merchant approval, like store address. And then you can add another block that is called image. Here you can put some images of store you're working on, or you can just use some image that is relevant inside the footer like this. And then you can make it size bigger according to the store footer like this, and image alignment on large screen, right or center or left. So here it was how you can make your footer inside the Shopify. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. Today we'll see how to add blog posts and how to manage blogs. For this you have to click on blog post here under themes and click on manage blogs. Inside the manage blogs you can add a blog that is called jewelry tip, and then you can make some templates default. You can also make comments disable, or you can make allow like this, and then click on save. Once your blog is created, you can create a blog post inside it. You can write SEO optimized title like favorite jewelry to buy in 2022. Welcome to Jewelry HubSpot. So here you can make some feature image for your this post like this. You can select any, or you can remove it. You can add any other image for it, and then you can make organization, author, admin. Okay, you can make author that is available, and then you can put it up in jewelry tips, and then you can give some tags, and then you can click on save. Once you will save it, your blog post is created. For this, in order to show it on your home page, you can also make it through some section like this here. Once it's created, you can go to customizer, and if you want, you can also show it here on the inside sections, like by adding section and then blog post, and inside the blog post you will see that you can make any blog section you just created. It will be showing like this. Here you see show date. You can show or remove the dates from here. Once you will show it, you can just go to the blog section here. Inside the blogs, you can go to many blogs, and inside the jewelry tips you can make, click on view page, and you see how this jewelry tips blog section is looking like. So you have to go to blog posts instead of many blogs, and here you see preview blog post. You will see it like this. This is the blog post you have just created, the image, and then some posts here. So you can more customize this thing, but if you don't want to show it inside your store homepage, then you can simply remove it from homepage. Just go to blog post section, and from here you can move this section, click on save, and either you can place this blog post section inside the pages. Go to pages and then add a page and call it blog, and then for template you can just inside the, or you can discard it. This need more customization, so you just have to go to navigations, and inside the navigation go to your main menu, and here you can add the blog from here, from blog post. Simply select your post and give it the title, favorite jewelry tips, or you can make it like our blog, the menu, and then you can put it up here inside save menu, and then once it's saved you can just go to your store, preview it, and once you will preview it you will see our blog section menu here, and just click on it. When clients click on it, they will see your blog section here like this. So why is this showing here? Because we have make this image inside your blogs. For this, go to blog posts, and here you see we can also remove it and make some eligible image inside it. And once you will again refresh your store, you will see the proper new image here. Okay, I think it's not saved yet. Once it's saved, it will be properly visible to your live store. So now it's saved. Now refresh your store. Once you will refresh it, now you can open it from here in your window, and then when you click on our blog from here, sometimes you have to clear the caches of your store to make sure that everything is working just like this. So here you see a new image for the blog post is showing, and your post can be shown here like this. You can put any description and title for your post, and it will be showing inside your menus. Thanks for watching. This lecture was on blog post sections. Thanks. Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store from beginners to expert. In previous lecture we have imported products by using OBERLO, and here you can see we have imported 20 products in OBERLO from Aliexpress. So in this lecture we will be editing all the products and publishing importing it into our Shopify store. So here you see in the products we don't have any product in our store yet. So in our OBERLO app we have 20 products in our import list. So before going to import all of these products, we will be creating 4 collections in our Shopify store, deleting all previous collections that was created. So once you will open your collection list here, you will see this thing in collections. So I'll be deleting all the things in inventory, in gift cards, in transfer, and so here in the collections I will be creating one collection that is called jewelry set. So after giving the title and clicking on save, we have created one collection jewelry set. Now we will create another after clicking on create jewelry box, and I'm making it manual. We will see collection creation and everything later, but now we are just walking through a smooth flow, so we will be completing all the things at the end of this course. Jewelry chain, and we have another last thing that was jewelry organizer in the collection. So here you see we have created 4 collections. We'll see the use of these collections later. 4 collections has been created. So now if we go to products and in our OBERLO import list, we will be editing all these products before importing to store. So here you see you have product. In the product section you have titles. So for jewelry sets I will be editing these titles. You can also make it edit accordingly. So here is jewelry set. I have selected the collection, and then for variants, you see these are the variants, available variants. And for pricing, you can set the pricing. Like here you see is showing in PKR, but you can also do, once you will keep the store in your local currency, local location, you will see your currency and locations, everything here, right? So after pricing, we'll have description. We'll keep the description like this. We can also edit it according to our store. And in the images, you see we have 21 images selected. We can make it as it is. So in the product, we just edited the title, right? And for another product, we will be also editing the title and selecting it as jewelry set, and then for this we will be selecting jewelry chain, and then here we are just making it, title short, so we can fit it in our Shopify store. And here we have organizer, so we will be putting it into organizer collection. We have another organizer title here, and then we have this class. We will be putting it into, we should give this chain box over this jewelry set. Okay, we will be putting this into another collection that is called chain for clasps. We understand the main purpose of why we are editing all these things, so you can understand. We will be putting all these into set, and then we are putting it into boxes. finish it. You can edit these titles according to your brand naming and everything, to make it perfect for your store. Just check for the titles. You can optimize these titles later for SEO purposes. So we have edited all the titles of our OBERLO import list, and now we will select all the products from here. Get this, all the 20 products. If you are doing bulk products import, you can do it with Excel file as well in the product imports. Okay, now all the products are selected. Here you see we have selected 20 products, and we will click on import selected. Once you click this, are you sure you want to push 20 products to your store? Yes. I have clicked on yes. Now here you see all the edited title products are now starting import to your Shopify store. Once these are done, you will see these check marks at the beginning. So once all the products are imported, you can click on products here, and you will see 20 products, and these products will be in your Shopify store with these things. So now you can go to your products. Here you see before it was no products, and now there are like 20 products, and in the collection you have, in every collection you have products already added. We have it in the OBERLO and in the products. You can simply view the product on your store as well. We will be setting up the theme in next lectures and everything, so make it perfect for our new upcoming store. I hope you enjoy watching the lectures of this course of dropshipping from Aliexpress. We'll be setting up the store in the next lectures and doing more things. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Jewelry like this, and then you can select a collection like jewelry chain. All the products in the jewelry chain will be appear here. Jewelry organizer, and then jewelry set, right, like this. And then you can make changes to the products to show. Maximum you want to show 2 products, it will be like this, or you want to show 4, or you want to show 8. So it will be up to you that how many products you want to show. I think 4 is the best to fit on here. And then you can make these things. Enable swipe on mobile if you are on mobile side. If you enable swipe on mobile, then it will be swipeable content like this, and then you can come back on desktop, and then you can adopt product card, adopt to image, portrait, adopt to image, show second image on hover. So in here you see image hovers are working, and then you can also show vendor if you want, show product rating if you want to show product rating with some reviews apps. We will see how to add reviews later in this series of lectures. So here these are some paddings like 60, 36, So this was the section of feature collection. Don't forget to click on save, and we will be previewing it now on live store. So here you can see we have this thing ready. Under this we have this feature collection, and we have view all button. Once you click on view all, you will be on this. So this was the video on how to add feature collections inside your theme customization. Thanks for watching. Bye. Then go for feature product, and inside feature product you will see a feature product like this. Select a product you wanna show as a feature on your store. So we'll be showing one product here. The product you wanna show, just click on select here, and you can change the color scheme from here of your featured product like this, and then you can show secondary background. You can hide other variants, media after selecting a variant, and then you can enable video looping if you want to put video inside your product. That can also be possible here. And inside these options, if you wanna hide some things, like here you see price, text, quantity selector, variance picker. You can also hide the maximum options from your feature product here like this. You can also view it on mobile version, like your feature product will be shown like this. So inside quantity selector, buy button, and then share option, you can also put share here, word here with some of your social media icons here. And then you can also add another block in which you can add all these things, other apps in your feature product. So here is how your feature product looks like on your store. You can also hide the vendor if you want. Just click on feature product. Inside the title, text, price. I think we don't have the option to hide vendor here, so it's okay. Don't forget to click on save. After when you click on save, you can preview this feature product on your live store. So how it's looking on your store once somebody is clicking, it's like this, and then you can also add it to cart. It will be like this. So I hope you understand how to add feature product. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Store Dropshipping Development Beginners to Experts. Today we are going to add banner section under the header in our store. So for this you have to click on add section here, and then search for image banners. Once you click on it, you will see this thing here under your header. So make it like you can edit the heading, jewelry, palace, and then you can click on description here. Get your best chains and necklaces here, and then you can click on buttons, and then button label, shop, chain, and then you can add some collections from your collections here, and then you can give second button, you can make it show box, and then you can give a link to your collection card jewelry box here. Now your this thing is ready. Now we will be clicking on image banner here, and we will be selecting our first image as a chain, this one, and then after this we will be selecting second image as we will select box here. It will be uploaded. It will take few seconds. Once it's uploaded, you will see a preview here on your store like this, and then you can make it more customizations here, banner height, medium, large, like this. So we'll be sticking with medium, and then we will see desktop content position. This thing should be at bottom center like this, or you can make it middle left here, or you can make it middle center, or you can also make it top left, top center. Okay, we'll be making it bottom center, right? And then you can make content alignment, color scheme, mobile layout. For mobile version, you will see it will be like this. You can make left, center, show images on stack images on mobile like this, or you want to make it like this, 2 images. I think this will be fine. So we are going back into desktop version here. Don't forget to click save. Now our banner section is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to another lecture of how to add product after installing OBERLO app from Aliexpress. So first of all, you have to just go to Aliexpress. Aliexpress.com. From your Chrome. Remember that we have already installed extension of OBERLO in Chrome, so don't forget to install that extension that is like here, shown here. Okay, so here in the Aliexpress we will be going to add 20 products of 4 collections for jewelry. We will be setting up everything. So here my jewelry set, so we will be opening 5 different tabs of Aliexpress. So here we have opened 5 different tabs. The first one is jewelry set, and the one is and another one is jewelry box. So here is the third link. we have added jewelry set, jewelry box, and then jewelry class, and then we are going for fourth collection. We are just adding these things because we will in the future, in next lectures, we will be setting up the collection. So here we are just selecting the jewelry products, with 5 collections. So here we have 5 collections opened in here in Aliexpress. So here you see, when I'm hovering to any product in Aliexpress, you will see this add to OBERLO. So this is the OBERLO app we have already installed here in our apps in our Shopify. You have to open this OBERLO app from your Shopify dashboard. Once we will select from here add to OBERLO, the products will be start coming in here in import list in our Shopify admin of OBERLO, right? So here I'm going to click add to OBERLO, the first product of jewelry set. I have clicked on add to OBERLO here. I'll be also clicking on this add to OBERLO, add to OBERLO, and add to OBERLO, right? So here you see it's saying product added to import list. You can also check here by clicking on home and then clicking on import list if we have the 4 products. Okay, we have 3 products in import list here. You see the first product is here, another product, second, third one, and now you see what is the status. You will see which product is not imported. Nine to 5 sterling, 4-piece, fashion rose, 9 to 5 sterling, 4-piece, and fashion rose gold, fashion rose flower. So fashion rose flower, this one is imported, this one is remaining. We'll click again on it. You can also refresh it and click again. Add to OBERLO here. We here see the products are added for this collection. We'll see here there should be 4 products in our import list. Okay, we have 4 products now from this collection, jewelry set. We'll be just clicking on and writing jewelry set, the name, so we don't have to set the names again. Okay, we will be making all these things later in our next lecture. So here 4 products from this collection and then 4 products from this jewelry box. We will do it step by step. if this product is added. Now we move to this product, second one, with the collection name jewelry box, because these products are showing against this collection. Second product is also added from here. Now we are going to add the third product. And then fourth one. Keep one thing in mind, that don't move to another window while you are importing the product from one page of Aliexpress. So once it's imported, you can move forward to the next product in any other tab of your Chrome. So these are jewelry clasps. So we are pausing here and we are adding all the other products. Okay, here see we have already imported 20 products with 4 collections from Aliexpress, and it's now all the products are showing in import list. So before going to add these products in Shopify Store, we need some editings, and in the next lecture we will be editing all these products and pushing it into the products of our Shopify Store. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to another lecture of Shopify Store developing beginners to expert dropshipping store, especially from Aliexpress. Here in this lecture we will see how we can create collections. We already did create collections, but sometimes we need some more collections that are needed. So how we can create them, we will see all the things in the collections here and how we can create them. So here in the collections page you have to click on create collection. There are two types of collection. Number one is manual and another one is automatic. So we will first create manual collections, in which we just here demo collection, we will name it demo. Manual collection, and we will give some raw description. We are just putting some dummy data. So here from the very right side you have to select the sales channels on which you want to publish your products, and then we have selected manual option, and then in the image you can put image of your collection. So from here adding image, we will be just adding demo image here. Just like we will be using any demo image. This is just for demo purposes, so you must know how to create manual collection, and after this you can click save, right? So here our collection is created, and you can view it on your online store. It will be showing like this: collection on your store without any products in it. So once we will give it some products, here you see in the set products, we will click on browse and we will just give one product to this collection manually, and then it's here. If you refresh this collection, you see a product in the collection like this. So here is a collection page with only one product in it. So At the left side you will see some filters options, sorting options. We will make it more better. We are just looking at collections creation now. So we'll see the other option, demo, automatic collection, and the same thing we will do here like this. And here when you click automatic, it will ask you for all conditions, any condition. So if the product must match all conditions, then any condition you are adding here should match. Like here, let me explain all these options. Here you can put product title, product type, vendor, product tag, price, compared price, weight. You can differentiate by these options. So we will select product title, that contains is equals to, not equals to, starts with, ends with, contains, does not contain. So we will select contain, then we will set jewelry. I hope all the products contain jewelry in it, in the titles, in the product titles. So another condition is jewelry chain. So if we select all conditions, then it must matches all the conditions here. Like there should be products that contain titles, contain jewelry, and the product titles contain chain. Then it will be showing under this, right? So if all conditions, we will click on. We will also select image just like we have done before. These are demo images. Don't focus on it. So after this, once you will click on save on the very top right, you will see it will show us some products. So there are no products in this collection. Add or change conditions to add products. So here you see there is no product that contains jewelry as well as chain in its title. So once we will select any condition here and click on save, you will see a lot of products are coming in here. So we will go to demo here. Here is saying products in this collection are updating. Try refreshing this list in a minute. So we will refresh products. We will again come in this collection. Maybe we can just go to products and then we'll click on collections and then we can click on automatics. Okay, it's updating, the products are refreshing. So we can just view it in our store. Maybe the products are showing there. So it's not updated yet. It takes some time, like as it's mentioned, like 1 minute. Okay, here you see now all the products are showing. Like here you see in this collection we have these products that contain the word chain as well as the jewelry. Like here, chain, this contains chain, chain, chain. All the products, I think no products contain jewelry, so it's not showing it here, just like this, right? So this was the automatic collection creation procedure, and more we will see into the website SEO of all the things later. So this was the procedure of creating collections in your store. I hope you guys understand that how the automatic and manual collections are created within Shopify Store. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Expert series. In this lecture, we will be reviewing some apps that are very useful for getting high conversions. So the first app we will see in this lecture is this. You see when we are not on our default tab, it will be animating and you can easily focus on, then click back on your store. It will increase the conversions for your customers. So which app is doing this? This is magical browser tab animation. You can find it inside the Shopify App Store free of cost. This app is totally free. Once you will go to Shopify Store, you can search for magical browser tab animation and you can install it inside your store free of cost. The next app that is very useful is Looks Reviews. You can find the Looks Reviews inside the Shopify App Store, and you can do it install on your stores. Once you will install, you can import the reviews from Aliexpress for your products. How to review imports? Click on import. Here you see Loops import file template. You can get this. Or you can import template. You can click here and you can download the import template for loops. Just open it and also go to Aliexpress. From here we will see how we can import reviews. Here jewelry set. We'll see how we can import reviews for one of our product here. You see we have this product inside our store. We'll just open this and we'll also open this template. Once you are on the product, you will see reviews on the Aliexpress. Just like this, you can add a review from here, copy it, copy the name, and then go to your store. Inside your store, go to your collection. Inside your collection, you have to go here. Inside the product for which you want to show reviews, you just have to copy this last URL. This is a URL handle called in Shopify. So just open the loops template. Inside here, you will see these things in the file here. Inside the product underscore handle, you can paste the handle we have copied for our product, and here you can see you can make an author and you can make email, and then inside the body is the basically text of a review that you want to show on your store. Just click it, make this thing, and then create it inside. And then for photo image URL, you can also remove this thing, or you can make, if you want to make add photo, you can make it, and inside the buy true and purchase. Okay, after this, save it. Once it's saved, you can save it, close it, and go to your store. Inside the reviews, upload template file, and once you will upload with one review template file here like this, it is saying we will email you once the template is imported. And once it's imported, you can go to your loops here. Inside the reviews, we can see two reviews. One is this, another is this. Now you can go back, and if you click on this thing here, you see we have one review now. That is awesome. If somebody is clicking on this review, under this product page, you see we have reviews are showing. People can also write reviews, and by this way you can put the reviews on it, and you can have higher conversion. So this was the review app. Some other apps that are useful are mega menu. With this you can create beautiful menus with images in it, and then we have some other apps. So this was the tutorial of lecture on apps. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development course, Beginners to Experts. In this lecture, we will see how navigation works, how we can create navigation menus in our store. Over here, you see we are on navigation on the left side under online store. In the navigation on the right side, you will see footer menu and main menu. In the main menu, first of all, we will click on it. Over here is the main menu title, and here add menu item. From here, just click on his link, and then home page. Here the first menu has been created. Click on add and then add menu, and then we will, after home, we would like to create all collections, and here all collections, right? And then we will select from here pages, about us, and then we will select contact us in the pages. And now we'll click on save menus. Okay, our main menu has been created, and now we will click on footer menus, and here we will select policies, privacy policy, and then in the policies we will select refund policy, and then in the policies we will select shipping policy, and then we will select terms and conditions, terms of services, right? So we can also, instead of this, we can also, if the default policy pages has not been created, you can just simply go to the pages we have created, and from there you can select these privacy policy pages and refund policy pages like this, and then you can have the conditions. So these menus are creating for footer menu, and then here we have contact us as well. So you can also put this up here. Click on save menu, or you can just delete this from here. So okay, here now you can see the menus has been created, and how these menus work on the store we will see it in the next lecture of theme customization, in which we will be setting up customizing a theme for our store. So keep in touch for next video, next lecture. Thanks. Take care. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store, Beginners to Experts. Another lecture. Today we are going to add email sign up section here. So before this, we should look for some things here. So just click on email sign up, and you'll see email sign up here. You can make custom headings, make description, and then in the email you will see email for your clients. Click on save, and then you can view it on your live store like this. So it is like this. I hope you understand how email section works. You can also make settings to your email sign up, like coloring just to match, and also you can make different colors that fits perfect to your store, to your clients. So here is how it's looking. So you can also see in the mobile version of your website, you can see it's totally responsive now. So here in this lecture, you see how we're email section. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Expert course. In this lecture, we will create another pages like that are also called privacy pages or terms and condition pages. So for that, we made it simple. You just have to go to settings, and then from the settings, you have to move forwards to head towards to policies, right? And in the policies, you will see that the already default pages has been created. Just click on Control A, and then we will just moving already created pages. So there is one way you can create the store policies and terms and condition pages from here, as well as there is another option that is Shopify tools. Just write this in Google and you will be heading towards free business tools by Shopify in shopify.com/tools. Here you will just write, you can create anything like you can get a logo, you can get a business name generator, slogan maker, domain name generator, link in bio for commerce, who is domain lookup. So we are concerned with pages. So first of all, we will look at these pages here from this tool. It is very helpful. So we'll generate different policy page from here. Once you will go here, you will just write the email, and here you can write email and then password and then store name. Okay, we'll just write it like this. Okay, it's saying already exists, so we can just log in from here. So after logging in, clicking login, it takes us back to here. So I was just going to show you that you can just write the name. Okay, here privacy. Just click on get a privacy policy, and in here, actually if you are not already on the Shopify trial, then I will skip the trial and then I will write the company name here, like email address, you can write it, the email address, keep in mind that all these settings, all these data will be showing into your privacy. Here we'll write you can also write the name of your, and then when we'll click on send privacy policy, it will say that a link to your privacy policy is being emailed. So we'll close this one and we'll check with our email. Okay, once you will open your email, you will find that privacy policy page here in your email. You can click on get your privacy policy now, and it will be showing like this: your custom privacy policy has been successfully created, and just click copy to clipboard, and then you have to go to your store, and then we will just go to our pages, and in the pages you have to simply write a name here, add page, and then privacy policy, and then just paste it up here, and you see that after clicking on save, our privacy policy page has been created. So here is the privacy policy page with all the links that has been required, like the email address of your company, like the address of your store, and everything that you put up in the data is available here, and you can edit these things that is required. So there are some things just like here you see, to add this document to your website, create a new page titled privacy policy without the quotes and paste in the text below, and follow the instructions in the section surrounded by brackets. Once you create your privacy policy, add a link to it in your website footer. So we have copied all this information in our here, and we will you have to just simply edit all the things to be edited in this bracket. Once it's done, our privacy policy page is ready. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store course Beginners to Expert. My name is Hassan Ali and I'm official Shopify partner with 8+ years of experience. I'm also certified theme development Shopify partner. Okay, let's move to the things what you will be getting in this masterclass course. After signing up to this course, you will see that how we can make sales with Shopify dropshipping, just like this store we have done with one of our dropshipping store. How you can increase the conversion, what you will get at the end of this store. You will be able to create a dropshipping store. This is a dropshipping store you will get to create at the end, so you can get sales for your dropshipping products, especially through Aliexpress. What apps we are using, how these effects are working, which theme is best for it, how the product pages look like, what are the best things to do in order to implement, how to implement reviews on your store for better conversion, how to implement apps that can convert, that can help in conversion, like this smiley inside the browser tab, and how you can create different sections, how you can customize your theme for Shopify Dropshipping Store. All of these things you will be learning in this masterclass course we are sharing with you. So hopefully after this course you can be able to hunt products from Aliexpress and show it on your Shopify Dropshipping Store, how people go to your store and they will apply for shipping, so that you can have like free shipping offers to them, so they can buy it from you easily. Just like this, when you click on continue to shipping, after calculations it will show free shipping here, so it will be good for your customers to buy things from you. Also, we are going to do practical regarding search engine optimization, all the basic steps to intermediate to express, that how to implement search engine optimization techniques, how to add Google Analytics to your store, how to add your store on search engines, especially Google Search Console, so people can buy directly from Google and they write in Google and then they come to your store after searching. Hopefully you will love to have this course in 2022. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Express course. In another lecture, in this lecture we will be creating a refund policy page. For this you have to go to business.shopify.com/tools, and in here you will be looking for refund policy template here. Okay, here it is, generate refund policy generator. From here skip it and then write company name, email address. The email address you will be putting here, you will get the document at this email, right? You can write your custom domain name here instead of my Shopify, and then send my return policy. And once you will click on it, you will get the email in your email box containing the refund policy template. And so you just have to check in your email. Okay, once it came, we will be back. Okay, our refund policy is ready. We'll just click on it. We'll just click on it here at this link, and here you see refund policy. Just copy it to the clipboard. Going to our store, and then the pages we are just writing the title, refund policy, and in here we can simply paste this and save on it, and then you can see, boom, our refund policy page has been created with all the data we have entered. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello, welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. So in this lecture we will see how we can make search engine optimization of our Shopify store in one lecture. So for SEO, the first thing you need to do is go to your online store. You want to connect your store with Google Search Console. Just write Google Search Console inside here in Google, and you will be heading to search.google.com. Just open that, and here you have to open edit code. So these steps are required. Once you will do it, you are basically connecting your Shopify with Google Search Console, from where people will see your store in there. Inside Google Search Console, just click on here and then click on add property, and then here you can write go to domain and then write the domain of your store. For this you have to click on here. If you are on trial, you won't be able to connect it because it needs access to your store. So access can only be granted if you have password disabled, and password can only be disabled if you don't have trial plan. So it's asking for remove the paths. So we'll be going with URL instead of this. So once you click on copy, you see it's verifying domain property, and it's saying copy this thing, go with HTML tag. We will be going with HTML tag. Just copy it, and you can make it inside the head section before the body section. So we are in the edit theme. Go to theme.liquid, and in the head before the body, here you see inside the head, just after the head here, press enter and then paste the file you have copied already. Save it. Once you will save this HTML tag, you will go back to here and click on verify. Once you click on verify, you see ownership is verified. Done. Once it's done, you can from here go to your Shopify store. You see your Shopify is connected now. After this, just go to sitemaps, and inside the map you can see, you can write sitemap.xml. Once you write it, this is the default sitemap created by Shopify for all Shopify stores. So it's successfully submitted, got it. So once you clicking on overview, then again on sitemap. Okay, sometimes it gives you this error, but after a few times, because our store is recently connected with Google Search Console, so after a few times it will be successfully connecting your store sitemap here. So the next step is to go to preferences. For SEO optimization, you have to go to preferences, give a homepage title. This will be showing inside the search engines. You can make Shopify Dropshipping or Shopify Jewelry like this. Don't make it higher, longer than 70 characters. You can make custom, you can make some description, and here you can add image that will be showing to your search engines for your store development, or you can just make it edit. You can make a proper 1200 by 628. So here you see the next step is to inside the preferences to connect Google Analytics. So we will be going to Analytics. So you will see how we can connect our Shopify store. So after getting paid advertisement for your Shopify store, you want to track your visitors. So Google Analytics is required to give more enhanced e-commerce. Here you see enhanced e-commerce tracking for your Shopify store. So go to analytics.google.com, and in here it's opening. Once it's open, just go to here. Okay, here you see you can add a new property here. Okay, here we will go to platform home. Sorry, so we'll be going here, and inside the settings, inside the admins, you can make a create inside the accounts, create a property. Click on create property, and here you can give a name like our store name. Don't forget to buy your Shopify plan from parent URL after free trials. So you can select country, and you can select the currency that is according to your store location and everything. Inside the show advanced options, universal, create universal property, and inside here you can go for the link like this. Create universal property only. Next, and in here industry. Inside the industry you can go for shopping, and then you can make it according to your customers. You can only leave app installs and these things. Just click on create. Once you would create it, you see you have now universal property created for your Shopify store. Just copy this thing from here, this UA tracking ID. Once you copy it, go to your Shopify store, paste this here, click on save. Once you save it, click on use enhanced e-commerce. Once you save it, go to analytics, and then inside here you see, click on user, click on save changes, and inside this you see that in here on the right side in the e-commerce settings, you can on this e-commerce setup, enable e-commerce reporting, and then save. You can also add funnels here. Once it's saved, your Shopify is getting enhanced e-commerce settings from Google Analytics. And now we are basically set up our SEO things. And now how the SEO works. First of all, you have to go to products. For all of your products, you do one thing for SEO, because you are now getting links clicked from search engines. People can search your products with the titles. You need to search for high ranking keywords with more search volume and less competition. So you can also use Google Keywords Planner for this. And then going back at the bottom, click on this website SEO. Here you will put the SEO optimized keywords, descriptions, and then URLs, and then you can click on save. And all the products, you have to do this for all the products to make products SEO optimized. And then you can also make collections SEO optimized. Like every collection, you have to make this thing SEO. Wherever you will see this thing SEO, edit SEO, you will have to edit it with proper keywords into it. And then you will also need to make your pages SEO optimized. Like for every page, you have to go to inside your pages and you will see edit website SEO. You can make it optimized according to high ranking keywords. And in the blog post, this is one of the important thing. Whenever you will create a new blog post, you will see that you can get targeted keywords inside SEO. These keywords will be getting into the Google Search Console and people will be coming onto your store easily. So we will also check if it's properly set up or not. You will go to Google and you will write your Shopify store. Before linking to Google Search Console, you will not see your Shopify store here. So once you will search inside the Google, okay, you see it's not showing now. This is because we have recently added it to here into our Google Search Console, and in order to check you need to do these things. These are the latest things just coming. In here, you have to click on here, and in the real time, once you click on it, when somebody is visiting your store, you will see that you have this real-time users here with one. Here you see we have one active user now inside your store. The live, everything is working properly, and you can track by traffic sources, you can track it through locations. Here you see direct, and then you can track events, audience, overview. Then you can also search the audiences from where they are coming, like country wise. So this was the thing that in the location you see that where the user is coming from. So once you will do it, you will also see your store inside the Google. Don't worry about it. Please give it 48 hours after setting up these things. So these are the must things to do SEO optimization. Your store will be properly SEO optimized after doing all these steps. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. Today we will be see how the shipping and deliveries works. Going to settings, shipping and deliveries, and inside here you see we have some shipping zones, and then manage rates. You have to see that inside the manage rates here you have some profiles, so you can put your products in it. Like here you see we have some products in this shipping and some in the rest of world. So once you will do these settings accordingly, like you will be managing products in different shipping zones. So we have here 2 shipping zones, 1 location, and then general settings. And after doing all these things, you will see that if somebody is going to some product of your store and is adding it to cart or buy it now, then he will be forwarded to shippings and then to checkout page. And from here you see we can give email here, and then inside here first name is optional. You can also make it not optional. ABC city, and then postal code, and then save this information for next time. Continue to shipping. Once you see here we have shipping cost here available, subtotal of the product, and now our shipping rate. Your cart has been updated and items you added can be shipped to your address. Remove all things complete your order. So this can't be shipped at this address. Why? Because you will see here. Okay, we will create new profile. In here we will see all products, and inside the products you will click on add, and you here inside the products okay, we will be adding products manually here. These are not so much products, so it will take more time, because we are adding all the variants in it in our this profile. So not get an error next time. So these things are required while setting up shippings and everything you will need for your store. So if your customers are shipping from different buying from different shipping zones, and they should not see this error that we are not available in your zone. This helps a lot when you have all your products in some specific shipping zones. So once you will have all the products with all the variants selected, you can simply add them inside your shipping profile like this I'm doing. So click on done. Now you have all the products inside this all products name, and now you can create shipping zone, and in here like you can see the rest of the world. Shipping zone name Pakistan, rest of world. So this will be adding all the countries inside it. Customer user won't be able to complete checkouts. So we'll be adding rates here, standard, and we'll be adding free. This helps in drop shipping. You haven't used this name before, use the same rate name everywhere to add rates together in customer locations. So we'll be clicking on done, and then you have to click on save here. Okay, after saving this profile, these all products, once you will refresh your checkout page, I hope we will get free shippings. Yes, we got it free. You have to see that how many margin you are getting after giving this free. This helps in conversions. So this was the shipping and delivery. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching this lecture. Bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development course from beginners to experts. So here we are creating shipping policy page. For that you have to just go to business tools, Shopify website, and from here you can check the shipping template, shipping label template. You will be looking for shipping policy. Okay, if you don't get your shipping policy here found here, you can just go to settings, and in the policy section here inside your store you can see that there is shipping policy. You can make it just from your own shipping. You can create your own shipping template easily. You will click, this will be a shipping label, right? So you can have your shipping labels like how it should be. And so we'll be quitting this shipping. You have to write manual shipping. You can copy any brand shipping with your own shipping policies, terms and conditions in there, and just copy it, and then you can paste it inside your store. And once it's created, you can simply go to your pages, and in the pages you can just simply copy and paste after giving the title, and then you can write the shipping here. I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello, welcome to another lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development beginners to expert. So today we'll see how we can add slideshow on our Shopify Dropshipping Store. So for this you should be in your theme customizer editor, and then you will see the left side at the very top slideshow option. You have to click on it and you can do the settings, change the settings for it. Like here you can make the grid changes. So first of all we will add a slide here. Inside the images you can upload different images. So we have some images here we have already created. We have created some slideshows for this dropshipping course like this. Okay, here you see we have selected this image here. After adding the image, you will see it loading here like this. If you are uploading from your PC or from your Mac, then you will see it loading here. Once it's loaded, you will see the preview inside your slideshow like here, like this. You can select it, and then you can make changes here in the slideshow. You can make layout like full width or grid, and then you can make slide height, adapt the first image, and then small, and then medium, and then large, whatever fits to your store. And then you can also make doors, counters, buttons here when you are adding more than one slideshow. So once you click on image slide, you can make different headings like drop shipping store, and you can make heading size small, medium, large like this. You can make subheading beginners to experts, and then you can make a button label shop now for your store. You can put link to your button like any collection or any product link, all collection link into it. Use outline button style. You can make it like this, and you can make this desktop content position middle center, top left. So we'll be putting it on middle center. And you can show container on desktop like this, and then you can desktop content alignment, and then image overlay of opacity like this, and then color scheme like this, and then mobile layout. If you are putting it in mobile, you can make it left, alignment of text. So these are the settings of slideshow inside your store. You can add more slides from here. Just clicking on it and then selecting the image and uploading the image from here. As this is a jewelry store, so we are going to make it more optimized like for jewelry. So once it's uploaded here, you will see the preview as it's showing empty preview here. You can also remove these things like so, just like this. You can also make the subheadings remove, like headings removed, and then you can make this button, show container on desktop like this. We will be making it more optimized like this. Once you save it, we'll see settings in here. Okay, now we will be seeing it, the preview on our live store, that how it looks like, the slideshow we have created. Okay, here it is. Now we have our button option, but these two things are coming sidewise, so I think we can also make it more, we haven't put any link here, so it's not clickable, but this is clickable link. So in here, I think we should make it more like this. So slideshow, even you can go with the slideshows, but if you don't wanna, you can put the button links. It will be good if you are going with proper button styling like this. And then this thing, show container on desktop. I think it looks good for this type of slideshows, right? So here was the lecture on how to add slideshow on your store. Thanks, bye bye. Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store development from beginners to experts. In this lecture, we will see how to create a terms and condition page. And the same thing, like you have to go on to business tools, shopify.com/tools. It will take you to this website. In here you have to search for terms and conditions, generate terms, click on it, and once you will be here, just check this out, write the name of your company and then email of your company, city, then zip and everything, and then you can here write and simply click on send me my terms and condition. Once you will click send, an email will be sent to your email just like this. You have to check your email. It will take few seconds to reach into your email box. Okay, once it's with our email, we will be back. Okay, here we have got the email from Shopify, and in the email you see that we can click on get your terms and conditions, and the same thing to add this document to your website, create a new page title, terms and conditions without the close, and in the text below we will just click to copy, and then in the add pages we will be clicking on writing terms and conditions, and then in here we will paste all the data we have copied, click on save, and boom, your terms and condition page is ready, just like this. All the information you entered in the data input form will be displayed here. You can see in your terms and conditions. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome to this last lecture of Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. So in this we will be making our store live for sales. So I hope you understand everything. Like if you have got these lectures from the very beginning of this course, you will see we have set up products, we have set up collections, we have made some rates to our products, we dropship our products from Aliexpress, we have looked on some apps and in sales channels. Our store is live with Shopify sales channel, and you can also add different sales channels. We will be looking more into our next courses coming. So after doing all these things, you will have to go to your store and see that if anything is not missing regarding like logos, regarding your products, homepage, and everything. So we'll be also looking very precisely inside the homepage. You see we haven't did customize these product pages, because you see these are the sections that is available under your products. So you can just go to your theme customizations and you have to disable all these sections. But if you want to make other sections other than home page, you can go to product here and then default product template. Inside it you can hide all the sections other than product information, like this, blog post. These are the sections available. So here you see we have product, we have newsletter, email, recommendations and reviews, and footer. You can save it, and just the same thing you can do for your collections template. Here inside the collection template you can see that you can disable these things once you don't have it ready for these. So just like this, go to any other pages, default page templates, because your pages have this section enabled, it will be bad for you for your stores. So after looking at all these things, don't forget to add a custom domain for your store. Inside the domain sections, you can buy some domains. Go to domain, connect it, buy the domain from Shopify, or you can also buy it from some domains providers like GoDaddy. So you can just go to the domain sections and then you can connect. So you will have your own unique domain name other than this default My Shopify. So once you will have all this, you will see if you want to make this speed score higher, then you will have to have less sections on your home page. That is the best way to improve the speed. But Shopify OS 2.0 theme also helps to increase the speed score. So once you will adding all the products, adding collections, optimizing apps, and then your store is ready for sales. You can put some ads ready for your store, for your products on different sales channels, Facebook, TikTok, and other sales channels. So keep check that when somebody is buying it, make a default purchase from your stores, like the first checkout purchase. And when you click to continue shipping, you will see that your shipping rate must be available for all countries, and you can continue to payment once you have set up the payments, because our store is not accepting payments because we haven't set up the payment inside the settings inside the payments option, because we are on trial store, development store here. So once you will choose a provider here, like you can also make any payment method like PayPal or Shopify payments, so people can buy it through all the payments methods they have. So okay, we are going to activate the test payment method. This is like this. So okay, we have activated the test payment method. Once it's activated, we will be just refreshing this. So it's saying it's not a field order. So here you see we have some credit card options available. So when somebody is giving their information and clicking pay now, it will be paid. So this was the things you have to check before going to your store live for sales. So now you see that our payment methods are also showing on our store with some review widgets. You can do setting up your review apps. I hope you guys understand and like the course we did for you for Shopify store dropshipping development, beginners to expert using Aliexpress with OBERLO. You can also do the same dropshipping concept by using different dropshipping providers other than OBERLO. For this, just go to Shopify app stores, and if you come to know some best dropshipping for your niche, for your store, just go to Shopify app store, and here try dropshipping and search for it, and then you'll see the top dropshipping providers like this. Here you see Pocket, OBERLO, and then Global Dropshipping, Aliexpress Dropshipping, and so. So I will recommend OBERLO first, and then you can also go for DSAS. Also a good thing. You can make it like here. You can go with all pricing free, filter it, and then you can make it like most installed. With this, you can get to know that what are the most installs dropshipping without ads. There is first DSAS, and then Pocket, and then we have Printful for t-shirts. So this was the things. you will be looking on. I hope you understand now your store is ready for launch, everything. Thanks for watching this course. If you like it, if you need any more help, you can definitely contact, and looking forward to your reviews after taking the course. Thank you. Bye bye.